University of Travancore, which later became the University of Kerala, is the mother university in the state. Formed in 1937 with Sri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma as its first Chancellor and Sri C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer as the first Vice Chancellor, the university is grounded upon the principles of equity, justice and inclusiveness.
Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, former President of India, has been a member of the Board of Studies here at the University of Kerala. As a memorial to the former President of India and the distinguished alumnus of the University of Kerala, K.R. Narayanan, we have established a student amenity center in his name. With eminent alumni ranging from the main architect of Green Revolution in India, M.S. Swaminathan, to the literary icon O.N.V. Kurup, from the former chairman of Indian Space Research Organisation, G. Madhavan Nair, to global business and technology thought leader, Chris Gopalakrishnan, the university has proven extraordinarily influential in shaping much of today's legacy. Reminiscing the forgone days of rich culture and heritage, the Oriental Research Institute and the Manuscripts Library stands as a memorial to the era of Renaissance during the reign of Ailyam Tirunal Ramavarma. As a resourceful library in the world, the Oriental Research Institute and the Manuscript Library has a collection of over 70,000 works and 30,000 copies which serve as invaluable sources for the study of ancient scripts such as Grantha, Bhattarithha, Sharada and the like. In association with the Culture Department, Government of Kerala, the Kerala Studies Department, University of Kerala has launched a wide-ranging year-long awareness campaign called Samam, focusing on gender equality. The Kerala Studies Department has been at the forefront in organizing a host of events including a widely acclaimed lecture series on topics of societal relevance and a seminar that could rightly be called a sojourn into the era of darkness under the colonial rule when the Malabar Rebellion of 1921 broke out.
കലാപം എന്ന് വിളിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന ആ പ്രക്ഷോഭത്തിന്റെ എല്ലാ വിശദാംശങ്ങളും ചർച്ച ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള വെബിനാർ സംഘടിപ്പിച്ച എല്ലാവരെയും ഞാൻ ഈ സന്ദർഭത്തിൽ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്.
We have always promoted the culture of learning from eminent scholars, drawing inspiration from many. The university has conferred honorary doctorates in science to the Indian astrophysicist Jayan Narlikar and the co-founder of Infosys, Chris Gopalakrishnan.
The Tagore Niketan Reading Corner at the University Library Palayam is a repository of a wide range of books by and on the celebrated poet Rabindranath Tagore. In different languages, the collections include biographic material, copies of rare documents such as correspondence relating to Tagore's visit to Trivandrum in 1922, and albums containing copies of Tagore's acclaimed paintings.
The Kerala Studies section is a window to the indigenous development and growth of the culture and society of Kerala from the days of yore. Round the clock, the University Library also organizes exhibitions on the notable works of prominent literary personalities. With an eloquent history of publishing some of the greatest works of all time, the publication department of our university has republished Hortus Malabaricus, the earliest authentic record of the horticultural knowledge of ancient Malabar. Other projecting publications include that of the work of Ullu and Chitra Ramayana. The Malayalam lexicon, undertaken by the university since 1960s, is one of the largest and greatest dictionaries in modern Indian languages. The Travelling Theatre of Centre for Performing and Visual Arts Round the Clock presents theatre productions on social reform movements led by Srinarayana Guru and Mahatma Ayyankali. In recognition of the contribution of the late eminent scholar Professor Thanu Padmanabhan, the Department of Physics, University of Kerala envisages the establishment of a world-class research and learning centre dedicated to astronomy and astrophysics. The proposed Heritage Museum at the University of Kerala envisages to exhibit objects and representations pertaining to the cultural antiquity of Kerala. In any case, we have also got the International Archives and Heritage Centre here at the university.
In a unique initiative of the Manonmaniyam Sundarnar Centre for Dravidian Cultural Studies, 250 students from Tamil linguistic minority groups in Munnar plantation area were given a course in Malayalam language.
In the face of mounting challenges posed by the pandemic, the university has relentlessly contributed its might in more ways than one, including the salary challenge, the vaccine challenge, and the like. This and many initiatives we believe could help the University of Kerala carve a space of its own into the fabric of society and its people.